Hey Kevin, what are you doing?
Hey! Working with the Longevity MIG Weld 140. Now I just put some flux core wire in it. So I thought I'd show you guys how to set this little puppy up. This is their little 110 volt, 140 amp MIG welder. Cool little unit. You guys really got to check this thing out. But I thought, let's just put some flux core in it for right now. Then we can play with that. It's really easy. It's really easy to do. Normally when you're going to use a machine like this, a little MIG welder like this, it's going to be DC electrode positive. And you can see right here in the little diagram how the wires are supposed to be, but I'll show you. When you're using flux core, remember, you got to be DC electrode negative. So you got to flip the wires over. So you see right here, DC electrode positive, and the ground is going to be hooked to the negative terminal, and the gun is hooked to the positive terminal. Duh. Well, in DC electrode negative, it's switched. The gun now becomes negative, the ground becomes positive. So look down in here, let me show you what that looks like. So you can see this is our ground cable, and right now I've got it hooked up to the positive terminal inside, and then the gun is actually hooked up to the negative terminal. And that's what you want for flux core. That'll make everything happy inside here. You get a really nice looking weld, get good penetration, does the job the way it's supposed to. Little 1 pound spool. Sorry, all I had. Goes on here with a wing nut just to have a little tension so it doesn't turn into a big rat's nest inside there. This is your adjustment for pressure on your feed roller. And here's a little feed roller inside. So this feed roller has 2 grooves in it. The inside, or the bigger groove is for 30 and 35 thousandths. The outer groove is for 23, or 24, sorry, 24. And you just pull off the little screw. You can turn the roller around, make sure you have the right size groove in the drive roller, make sure everything works right. Feed your wire in, close up the tension. Got to add a little. So you get your wire in, you get your tension set. I like to pull the nozzle off and get the electrode out of the way. And then you just go ahead and fire the machine up. Turn your wire feed all the way up so it comes through quick. But that way the wire doesn't have to try to find its way through the electrode. You got a nice big hole for it to come out of. Woohoo! There it is. So don't forget to turn your wire feed back down. That's important. And all you have to do is just get your electrode on. Get your nozzle back on. And you're ready to go to work. You know, put a little anti-splatter on there just to help keep the tip clean. Go to work, be ready to go. Fun little machine. Gonna have fun playing with it. So next time we'll go ahead and fire the machine up, make some sparks, maybe do a little flux core, see what all that looks like. See you then.